Hello everyone, welcome to MSP Packaging Solutions, your trusted partner for packaging machines. In today's video, we are going to introduce you to our soda filling and capping machine, a high-performance solution for businesses looking to streamline their soda bottling process. Let's explore how it can boost your production. Our soda filling and capping machine is designed to make the soda bottling process smooth and efficient for businesses of any size. Filling capacity. This machine is versatile, filling bottles ranging from 250 milliliters to 1000 milliliters. Whether you're producing smaller or larger bottles, this machine can handle it all with ease. Filling heads. It comes with 4 filling heads, which means you can fill 4 bottles at once, significantly speeding up your production. Capping heads. To ensure a seamless process, the machine also has 1 capping heads, allowing you to cap 4 bottles simultaneously for a smooth, efficient operation. Production output. The machine delivers an output of 20 to 40 bottles, ideal for medium to large-scale operations. You can adjust the speed based on your needs, giving you full control. Cap size. It supports caps ranging from 15 mm to 50 mm, so you can work with a wide variety of bottle designs without any compatibility issues. Power consumption. Despite its power, the machine consumes just 1 horsepower, making it energy efficient and cost-effective for long-term use. Dimensions and weight. The machine has a compact design, 4 feet in length, 4 feet in width, and 7 feet in height, and weighs 350 kilograms. Its sturdy build ensures durability and stability over time. To sum it up, our soda filling and capping machine is perfect for businesses looking to improve efficiency and productivity in their bottling process. With its flexible filling capacity, high-speed output, and energy-efficient design, it's the ideal choice for growing companies. Check description for more details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MSP Packaging Solutions for updates on our latest machines. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.